Hi, I'm AJ. Welcome to Woodified. It's that time of year again. It's time for the Makers Rock Art Album Collaboration. This year we have 35 makers making album art and giving it away for free. This year's theme is the 1990s. The album that I chose was released in 1992. This album was the first album that I've owned from this group. I remember watching a television show about an indie rock band that had just released their first studio album. The music was upbeat, humorous, and fun. The next day I headed to the Zeller's department store. They don't exist anymore. No, I'm pretty sure they're gone. I hit to the department store to buy the cassette tape of this album. The original album cover is not inspiring at all. The lead singer is actually on record saying that it may be the worst album cover ever. So I chose the re-released album cover. This group sold over 15 million records. They have won 8 Juno Awards. They have been nominated for 2 Grammy Awards. They were inducted into the Canadian Music Hall of Fame in March 2018. I chose the Bare Naked Ladies Gordon album. My favorite songs from the album are Enid, If I Had $1 Million, and Brian Wilson. I put a playlist in the description below. Please leave me a comment on what your favorite Bare Naked Ladies song is, or if you've never heard of these guys, which is a high probability if you live outside of Canada, that's okay. Leave me a comment. Listen to some of their songs in the playlist. The Makers Rock build videos will be released on March 20th. In the meantime, please check out all the other makers channels. I put links in the descriptions down below. Check them out. Give them a sub. Rock on! Hi, I'm AJ, and you're welcome. Thank you very much. Start over.